Yo, boys. So this is the trade we took today. We had a bit of news. Actually, no, we didn't have any news. But yeah. I mean, it was an L, but I'm not really too mad about it. My bias was right. Just I don't know. Our entry wasn't that good, so I'll just go through the trade real quick. So yeah, on yesterday we had a big flush down because of CPI, I think. Yeah, CPI. So we had this big flush and we created a 4-hour fair value gap that we were trading in pre-market. So boom, we had this 4-hour fair value gap. That's the reason I was bearish, just because of that. And then on the 1 hour, we were wicking off of this hourly fair value gap. We wicked it 2 times, but that wasn't like, I was still bearish just because, I mean, those 1 hour fair value gaps compared to a 4-hour fair value gap, like this 4-hour fair value gap is definitely like, it has more power, I guess you could say. So I was just bearish and I scaled down and we created this 15-minute wick down here. And I was basically thinking that it would close bearish, and it didn't. It wicked back up. So boom, 15-minute, we closed in here, and then we created this 1 minute fair value gap here. That we wicked out of a couple times. So boom, we came back down, wicked it again, and then yeah, we just got stopped out. I mean, our bias was correct. Maybe our entry could have been a little bit better. We could have waited a bit longer, I guess. Maybe try to get something up here. But I mean, I'm not really too mad about it. I mean, it was just like our setup was there. We took it, and it didn't play out. And I mean, yeah, that's basically really it. I mean, I don't think there's really anything I could have done better. Just, I don't know. I really don't know. But one thing that I did like, again, I started shaving off profits. I mean, shaving off losses instead of just like having boom stopped out, because you end up risking a lot less. So I took out a position here, half a position once it broke this fair value gap. And then I took out another position just because we were wicking this area. And once we fully broke it with this candle, boom, boom, I closed another position here. And then final position, I just closed at the top of this candle. And that was basically just the end of the trade. I definitely could have a looser stop loss, but I would have been risking way too much. So I just had my stop above here. I mean, just got stopped out. Not really too mad about it. It did end up hitting our take profits. Our take profit 1 was at the 1 hour fair value gap. And our take profit 2 was at another 1 hour fair value gap here. Then our final take profit was at equilibrium of the low to the high. Yeah, I mean, we lost, but we come back tomorrow strong. We got a bit of news tomorrow, but I think we can still trade it, just unemployment claims and retail sales. Nothing like too crazy. But yeah, that was basically it, and peace.